Good morning, my name is Margit Szabari from Hungary. I was very honored to be in this conference. It was a great pleasure for me to come back to Hungary and present my work here. I was also able to join a mentor group where we had the opportunity to discuss a theoretical clinical trial, and we will present this also for the conference at the end of today's session. And we were brainstorming about the possibilities, about the challenges and the difficulties when you are planning a clinical trial. So you need to face with these problems in real time, in the real life situations.
Hello, my name is FUHeL, and I'm a medical doctor working in Hungary at Semmelweis University, Budapest. And I took part at the Congress of fourth Congress of Lung Health as a participant, and I was also involved in the mentoring program of this Congress. I know that this is the first time that they organized this mentoring program, which in my opinion was very successful and fruitful. The atmosphere was really great during this mentoring program, and I would emphasize the approach of the mentors to this program. So they generated fruitful discussions, they highlighted major points which
Hello everyone, my name's Matteo Bradicic. I'm a 25 years old Italian MD working at the Respiratory Pathophysiology and Rehabilitation Unit at the Cisanello University Hospital in Pisa, Italy, under the supervision of Professor Pierluigi Paggiaro. I have been invited to take part to the mentoring program where two respiratory medicine experts, Professor James Chalmers and Professor Stefano Aliberti, have been guiding us through all this international workshop, and they taught us how to retain the most important take-home messages during all the conference and all the topics that have been covered on respiratory medicine.
Hello, my name is Daniela Bukliowska-Ilievska. I come from Skopje, Macedonia. I work as a chest physician in General Hospital in September. But as a future leader, one of the 10 participants in Future Leader Mentorship Program, where I had a chance to learn from experts how to write, design, and to write a study. I think this conference is very nice opportunity for young scientists like me to learn from experts and to become better and better in the future.
I'm a PhD student. I'm first time on this conference. I heard about it from my colleague who are pulmonologist. I'm also a participant of mentoring program Future Leaders, and I guess it's a great opportunity to know how we should organize medical trials and how we should do it right and to get best results.